it's Katina, and I'm going to be sharing with you 5 tips to build up and develop your workout discipline. So let's just jump right into it. The first tip is to do something fun. So for me, I love to dance. So I find exercises that incorporate dancing into it. And because I've done that, I've been able to intensify my workouts gradually to the point that now I'm building muscle, my body is becoming more toned, confidence is there. I also make sure to do the most fun workout at the beginning of my week so that when the week starts and I'm like, do I want to work out? I'm like, oh yeah, I get to do this fun, I don't know, ballet workout, Zumba workout, HIIT, whatever workout, and I just get excited to do it. And by the end of the week, I'm already doing some hardcore thing, but it just didn't feel like it because I gradually built to that level because I started with something that I really enjoyed. Okay, the second tip is to find a time that you're comfortable with. Now I know it could seem all cool to wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning or whatever and get your workout done and have your mindset. And if you're a morning person, that might actually really work for you. But if you're a person who already struggles to wake up in the morning, why do you think you're gonna wake up to work out? It's not gonna happen. So start with a time that you're comfortable with, and then maybe once you're, you get acclimated to doing it at that time, you can gradually make it earlier if you really do want to work out early in the morning, or if you're an evening workout person, just do it in the evening. So find a time that you're comfortable with so that you can consistently do it with the motivation that you need to get through. The third tip is to have a goal, or in other words, to focus on the area of your body that you're most passionate about. So if you dreamed of having that peach booty or the dynamite legs or to slim down your body to make your waist thin or whatever it is, just start with that area. And when you do that, you'll be able to consistently work out because you'll be seeing the changes in your body that you wanted to see in the first place, which caused you to want to work out in the first place. Once you see those changes, you'll be like, okay, I can do this. I can do this every single day. Have a goal of whatever that is and work towards that goal. The fourth tip is very important. Don't overdo it. I don't know how many times I've seen people oh my gosh, I'm gonna do 50 squats and I'm gonna run up this hill 20 times. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna get so toned up. And then they don't do it. And it's because they haven't even been working out in the first place. And what's gonna encourage them to go up the hill 20 times? That's not gonna motivate you. Let's say you start off with a challenge doing 100 squats a day, but you've never even done one squat. It's gonna be hard to build up that momentum. So maybe if you do a challenge that does 10 squats a day and do that daily and then slowly build up. Don't push yourself beyond your limit. Don't overdo it, because when you do that, you won't be able to work out consistently. Maybe you'll do it for the week, or maybe you'll do it just for the one day and then you won't go back to it ever again. Tip number 5 is don't think, just do. I don't know how many times I've heard of people oh, I have to get the exercise clothes, oh, I have to get my dumbbells, I have to get my weight, I have to get this exercise equipment, and they get so focused on trying to, plan out the workout that they never get to the actual workout. If you really do want to build up your workout discipline, just start with what you have. And just do what you can do. Don't think about it, just do it. So if you set a time, I'm gonna work out at 6 p.m. every single day, just as soon as it's 6 p.m., just go, just do it. Just don't even think about it. Maybe at that moment, just pull out some kind of workout routine on YouTube and just start it. And if that specific workout routine doesn't work, then tomorrow you can just do another one. You'll be able to find a workout routine that fits you, but it'll allow you to just start so that you can continue. And then I have a bonus tip, and that is, if you're the type of person who likes to work out with others, don't choose a workout buddy who hasn't been consistently working out. Because what's gonna happen is one day you're gonna wake up and be like, I don't feel like working out. Sarah, you don't feel like working out either? Let's just not work out today. And then what's gonna happen? You don't work out, the whole year passes, it's done. If you're gonna choose a workout buddy, choose someone who already has a scheduled discipline of working out, because what's gonna happen is they're gonna already be doing their workout, and when you don't feel like doing it, you're gonna be psychologically aware that you're missing out on something, and you're gonna be like, okay, let me just, fine, let me just get up, let me work out, this person's waiting for me, let me just do it. So that is all 5 tips for how to work out consistently. So I hope those were very helpful for you. In the comments, go ahead and write down your fitness goals, write your dreams for your body, and just know that God created you all very beautifully. So whatever body shape, type that you have, whatever you have, just build it to the best of its potential and celebrate the way God made your body. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. You can go ahead and like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Peace out. So yeah, if you want like that peach booty, you know, like the one that goes like duh, duh, duh when you walk and like it's just voluptuous. Okay, no, this is too much.